Today we're exploring one of the most essential processes in all of biology, a silent engine inside your body that never stops. This is mitosis, the way life renews itself. First, let's understand what mitosis actually is. Mitosis is the process where one cell divides into two genetically identical daughter cells. But here's the important part. This process happens only in somatic cells. Somatic cells are all the cells in your body except the reproductive cells. That means your skin cells, muscle cells, blood cells, bone cells, organ cells. All of these are somatic cells. These cells divide constantly to keep you alive. They repair wounds, replace old cells, help children grow, and keep tissues functioning. And mitosis is the method somatic cells use to divide. The goal of mitosis is always the same. Two identical cells, each carrying the same complete set of chromosomes, ready to continue the work of life. Now, let's understand why mitosis is so important. Mitosis allows organisms to grow from a single cell to trillions. It heals cuts, repairs broken tissues, and replaces dying cells. Every second, millions of your cells divide through this process. Before mitosis begins, the cell must prepare. This preparation happens in the cell cycle. G1 phase. The cell grows and performs normal functions. S phase. The DNA is duplicated. Every chromosome makes an identical copy. G2 phase. The cell checks its DNA and prepares for division. Mitosis happens in 5 major stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. Firstly, prophase. Chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. The nuclear envelope breaks down. Spindle fibers form. The cell prepares for accurate chromosome alignment. Secondly, metaphase. Chromosomes line up in the center of the cell along the metaphase plate. This precise alignment ensures equal genetic distribution. Now anaphase. Sister chromatids separate and are pulled toward opposite ends. This is one of the most dramatic phases, splitting the genetic material perfectly in half. And the final phase, Prophase chromatids reach opposite poles. 2 new nuclear envelopes form. Chromosomes begin to unwind. The cell now holds 2 separate nuclei. Finally, cytokinesis. The cytoplasm divides. The cell membrane pinches inward until the cell splits completely. Result: 2 genetically identical daughter cells. Next, let's understand why mitosis must be extremely accurate. If chromosomes don't separate perfectly, the new cells may become abnormal. This can lead to malfunctioning tissues or uncontrolled cell division. The beginning of cancer. That's why cells have built-in checkpoints to prevent mistakes. Finally, let's see where mitosis appears in real life. Healing wounds. Growing from childhood to adulthood. Replacing skin and blood cells. Regenerating tissues. Plant root and shoot growth. Mitosis is happening inside your body right now, billions of times every hour. Let's summarize what we've learned. Mitosis is the controlled division of a somatic cell into 2 identical cells. It keeps organisms growing, healing, and functioning. Every breath you take, every movement, every moment of life depends on this remarkable process, just as 1 cell becomes 2. Your support helps this channel grow. Like, comment, and subscribe to divide into the next discovery.